Good morning, Jackson. How are you?
Good morning. Good.
We had an early start today.
Yeah, 8 o'clock.
Yeah, it was. Now, we just come back from your test.
Yep.
Now, you took out the 4-lesson pack. Have you had any lessons before coming here?
Oh, no, I hadn't had any lessons before coming here, no.
Right. So how did you find then having to learn what's required to do with the government?
Well, at first it was a bit overwhelming, but over time, and especially later on in your training, it just becomes a lot easier to sort of do, and everything starts to click a lot more. But it does take time and practice,
Yeah. Remember I said the third lesson's the magic one?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, everything sort of starts to click around the third lesson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then today we had our final warm-up before you sat for your driving test.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And you're the proud holder of the P's, mate.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Yeah, really great. A lot of relief.
Cloud 9?
Yeah.
Excellent. Now, well done. You've been a wonderful student.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Good morals and good ethics with yourself and your character, so it's fantastic to see.
Yeah.
We'll have many, many, many years of safe driving, and hopefully what you've learnt here, you'll retain those skills.
Yep.
And you'll be a nice and safe driver with everything that you've learnt.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Any parting words you'd like to say to the other students looking for a driving school?
This is a really great place to go. It's going to be difficult at the start, but it will definitely help you get your P's quicker.
It's only 4 lessons.
Yeah.
So, how's that?
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? We've seen students who've come here after they've had 10 lessons. It's like having a beginner in the car. So I'm wondering, what have they been doing for 10 lessons? Well, you know what you're going to do when you come here.
Yeah.
You've seen it all, you've experienced it, and you've come back with a great pass. 10 out of 10, by the way, for all your manoeuvres, mate.
Yeah.
Fantastic. You've nailed that parallel park.
Yeah.
Yeah, well done. Yep, you sound surprised.
Well, I thought it was pretty good, but I don't know. Yeah.
It was good. Well done, Jackson.
Thank you.
All the best. See ya.